Tell the video what you're doing right now.
So right now I'm gonna pull out these crystals I made, and I'm pulling, and I'm hanging, and I'm gonna pull these crystals out today.
What kind of crystals are they?
They're jello crystals.
Gel crystals. Right? How did you make those?
I used water,
Mm-hmm.
scissor tabs.
No, we didn't use There's color tabs.
Color tabs. And I used some water.
Mm-hmm. And how long did it take for the crystals to absorb the water and become gel crystals? How long did that take?
2 hours.
Exactly 2 hours. And tell your friends on YouTube what kinds of things you've noticed about these crystals. What are your observations?
So I've noticed a lot about them. They've got bigger, and there's even some that grew out of their cages and went into another place where other ones are supposed to be. And they got way bigger. They're super small when I started. Then they got squishy and big.
What colors do you have?
So I have orange, dark orange, light orange, yellow, green, purple, blue, orange, and red, and yellow, and green.
And what 3 colors did you start with?
I started with orange, yellow, red, and blue.
Mm-hmm.
And I made different colors.
Yeah, they look awesome.
Look how many more, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Some of them are pretty big, huh?
Yeah, and there's tons of them.
And then some of them didn't absorb as much as the others, did they?
Yeah, and some actually absorb so much bigger into different containers.
Mm-hmm.
We get to play with these things, do we?
Mm-hmm. You can play with them. Are they squishy, like they say they are?
Are these real crystals?
They're real gel crystals.
They're not real crystals, are they?
No, they're gel crystals.
They're hard to break. You can't break them, Mommy.
Well, that's good. So, what do you think about this experiment? Is it a pretty good one?
Yeah, it's probably a really fun experiment to do at your house. It's a really science. It's pretty cool. Easy to do, but you have to wait a little while.
Yeah, you got to be patient, don't you?
Yep.
For this one.
But they're fun, and a good idea is to put them in a balloon. Then you can fill the balloon up with some water, and you can make your own stretch ball and tie off the balloon and make a stretch ball, a stretch ball, and then you have your own stretch ball with these things. There's lots of ideas I can come up with.
All right.
Bye.
What do you tell your friends at YouTube?
Bye.
Bye.